Hello friend, today we are going to install PyCharm in our Windows machine. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser and search PyCharm, PyCharm download and hit enter. And after that, just click on the first link which appear here. And then you have two version of PyCharm. First, in professional version, you have to pay, or for community version, it is free. I am going to install community version. Just click here and download. It will start downloading soon. After downloading, just click on show in folder, and here just double click on PyCharm community install. It will start installing soon. Just click on yes, and I just minimize this all and click on next, and then click on next. And here I want a desktop shortcut, that's why I click on here. And update context menu, add open folder as project. Just click on add, and then just leave all other as it is and click on next. And after that, just click on install. It will start installing in your machine. After installing, just click on Run PyCharm Community Edition and finish. It will open your PyCharm. Okay. Coming here, just click on New Project. Or if you have any other project, you can just open. I create name my first project and just leave all other thing as it is and just click on create. It will take some time to load or create your first project. It set up all the environment variable and all the thing for you, and then your project is ready to go. After uploading or updating all other thing, it show you this type of icon, and the main file which run your output or your result of Python is main.py, and it shows something that it want. If ask you something download, just download it. Okay, now here you can click on green button to run your first program. It will start running your first program. This is how you can install PyCharm in your Windows machine and create your first project in PyCharm. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.